What is up, everybody? This is Christopher here back again, and today, something came in the mail today. Yep, this is a Dell computer, and what this is, it's a Inspiron 3000 Dell computer. This was shipped out last week as one of my relatives that I know bought it and delivered it down here, and it just came in today. It was shipped out last week. The only reason I have my hands on this, it does have my address on it, so I don't need to show that. But, this is the box it came in. So, let's see if we can get this box open. This is all in tape. I recommend using a knife or a key. You can do what you want, but if you're going to open a knife, be careful, because you don't want to damage anything. Sorry, I'm doing this one hand. It's kind of hard, so you're going to have to bear with me. Hold on. It's kind of hard. Hold on. Okay, so I finally got to manage to get this thing open, so that in mind, let's take a look at this new computer. There's some foam here. We need to get this out. Again, I'm doing this one-handed. It's kind of hard, so you gonna have to bear with me. And yeah, there's the computer itself. This is the computer itself. I can find the tab for it. It comes out. I'm gonna have to dunk this out a little bit. And yep, this is the computer. This is the computer, guys. Is it cool? Ooh, and look at the back here. This is the brand. I'll open this in just a minute. I just need to get a few things out of this box. Does it come with anything else? Oh, there we go. What we have here is we have the wall adapter. This is the wall adapter and the charging cable. And I believe this one is a this one is a connector for it. We can get this open. There it is, the thing cable. Let me see. Let me get this open. I'm gonna set this right here so y'all can see if you can see me opening this. There's the connector cable. And this is the charging thing, which I'll unwrap right now. I believe this goes into here. And, hold on. I believe this goes into here. I'm doing the best I can here. Y'all gonna have to... Yeah, I'm doing the best I can here. Y'all gonna have to bear with me here. There we go, it's plugged in. And we will plug this in into the adapter. And bring this computer right here. Actually, before I come in, let's see if we can open this computer. Let's find out. Ready? Let's go. Look at that. It's big. Holy crap. It's pretty big. Holy crap. I could move this out of the way. Is this computer nice? Ooh, ah. So, let's see if I could turn this. See, do we have any juice here somewhere? And yes, I'll be transferring files from this computer in here shortly. Let's see if we could turn this on. Actually, let me plug this in just for heap's sake. Leave this. I don't think it goes here. And I believe it doesn't go there. Move this down a little bit. It goes here. And I believe a light goes on here. And with that, I believe we're ready to turn this thing on. I think this button turns it on. And let's see this beautiful computer. It's very nice. Look at that. It's gonna hopefully finish loading soon. It's gonna probably take a bit. Okay, I'm gonna stop this for now, and I'll come back once this thing is square done. Okay, I'm back, and it just finished loading. I'm just waiting for this to load up. It's gonna load very shortly, guys, so you're gonna have to bear with me. I'm gonna pause here.
And I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
Excellent.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Very good.
Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
United States? That will be the correct region.
Your keyboard is set to the US. Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. Skip that.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
What?
That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible. How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Let me go ahead and pause the recording for a while I get this. Okay, we got internet is set up, and let's go to next.
Now we have some important setup to do.
Of course. Okay.
Now let's see what's new from Windows.
Okay.
Next up, the legal stuff.
Oh,
In
yes,
short,
the legal one.
You'll need to select Accept to use Windows. You can decline, but then, no Windows.
Well, there's no way to decline because there is no option for that. Well, there's no option to decline because the only thing you can do is click the Accept button.
Type your email address or phone number, then follow the instructions to sign in.
Alright.
I'll catch up with you once that's done.
Alright, I think I have an account for here that I can transfer from my other laptop to here. So let's see if I can do that. I'll be back while I do. Set up a pin. I could do that, yes. Hold on, I'll be... Okay, just entered my account.
Windows can save your spot in apps, files, and websites, so you can keep doing what you were doing, even when you switch devices. Just choose Yes to sync your activities.
Why don't we do that? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Hold on one. I'll get that figured out later.
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind?
Sure. Because I'm gonna need this for sure, because college is starting very, very soon.
Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family. Should we get it ready for you to use?
Sure.
Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
I'll accept you.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them, and select Accept when you're ready.
I'll accept.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Of course. Oh. Hi. Of course. Alright. Might take several minutes, no problem. I'm just gonna pause the recording while it does. Alright, almost done. And there it is. We got the old computer ready to go. This place does look nice. Let me see if there's any file before I do anything. So far, no files yet, but I'm gonna sync some files into this computer as of right now. Unless I can figure out where I can find it. Actually, I'll sync some files in. I'll be right back. Oh, something came up. Okay, that's fine. I was gonna go ahead and sync some files into the computer, but let's see what they want to get me registered for. Oh yeah, I have to register my stuff. Alright, cool. So, I'll get this registered and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have registered my stuff to Dell, and let's see what I'm gonna do with here. What's happening right now is I am syncing all my photos and videos to my computer, so I don't know how much gigabyte it will take, but probably not a whole lot. I don't think. I don't think it could take a whole lot because it's kind of big. Whole lot because it's a big hard drive with a 913 gigabyte, so I don't think it should take up a lot of space. But I think as soon as I export the rest of the stuff on my computer, that's when I think it's going to take a little bit more space. I am back. I'm sorry about this, but yes. As you can see, I got everything back on my laptop, including some of the files that I have transferred from the other laptop that I had. You can see some of the other videos that I have had throughout the years. Close this up for now. And, time to say goodbye to this. Now, the only reason I need a new one because yeah, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the hinges right here is broken, and I did it, and it would be too expensive for me to get it repaired, and my insurance and the warranty for it is way overdue, so I decided to get a new one, which is this. The difference from this to here, it's a little bigger than usual, but is that the touchpad is here. There's numbers here. Touchpad here is in the middle, which still doesn't work, and yeah, there's no nutter pad. So I don't know what am I gonna do with this laptop because I can't sell it on I can't really sell it because because of the broken hinges, unless I can get it repaired and get the data from this erased after exporting it. Maybe I could sell this off on eBay so I can make some money. But yeah, what do y'all think I should do with this laptop now I got a new one? Should I keep it for backup? Should I throw it out and erase some of my data from there? Or do you think I should get this repaired and sell it on eBay? What do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section below this video. Thank you. And that's it. Hi everyone, I'm back. So after a few hours using it, it looks very good, but I did notice one particular problem here when I start this. Here you go. Let me start this up again. It does start up, but with this one, it's kind of, the startup process for this is kind of slow. The startup process for this is kind of slow at the moment. I mean, before then, the startup was, I mean, it's fast now at this point, but before then, it was kind of slow. So, hold on. It does start off fast now, but it was kind of slow getting to the home screen. So, yeah. Everything, so that's a little bit of an issue, but I think the startup going fast now at this point. It is a bit laggy, a little bit, but I think because of the charger that's on, which I'll take it off in just a minute. But other than that, really, after logging in, the startup is very fine. And some of the programs comes up very fast, so everything looks really good. The startup may be a bit of an issue, but hey, other than those issues, It's a very good laptop so far. I'm gonna test the camera in a little while, but hey, it is a good laptop either way. But go to here for a moment. But yeah, guys, that is gonna do it for today. This laptop's very good. It's very good so far. Again, what do you guys think I should do with the other laptop that has the broken hinge? Let me know in the comment section below this video. What are your all suggestions I should do with it? So with that in mind, guys, that is going to do it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video coming soon. Peace out. Bye bye.